In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze your Excel spreadsheet with Perplexity AI. We're going to keep this simple and practical. By the end, you'll know exactly how to upload your spreadsheet to Perplexity AI and how to ask focused, effective questions that turn raw data into clear insights. First, let's get your spreadsheet ready to go. Make sure your Excel file is saved on your computer and closed in Excel so it uploads cleanly. Then open Perplexity AI in your browser. Once you're on the main screen, start a new conversation if you're not already in one. Look for the plus icon, the little plus you'll see near the message box. Click that and choose Upload Files or Images. A file picker will pop up. Navigate to where your spreadsheet lives, select your Excel file, and confirm. You'll see the file attached to your chat. If needed, send the message so Perplexity can process the upload. That's it. Your spreadsheet is now available for analysis. With the file uploaded, the real magic comes from the questions you ask. Avoid vague prompts like, "Analyze this." The more specific you are, the better the results. Start by telling Perplexity what you want to learn in plain language, and when helpful, mention the sheet name or the column headers you care about. For example, you can say, "Summarize this dataset." This is great when you first open a file and want a high-level overview of what's inside, the number of rows, key fields, and any obvious patterns. Next, dig a little deeper with, "What are the key trends in this spreadsheet?" This invites Perplexity to look across time periods, categories, or metrics and surface directional changes, growth or decline, and standout segments. If your file has dates, products, or regions, say so in your question to guide the analysis. You can also get very concrete with, "Find the highest and lowest values." This is perfect for quickly spotting top-performing items and outliers. If you know the column name, include it, like revenue, cost, score, or quantity, to target exactly what you want. As you review the answers, feel free to follow up. If something needs clarification, say you want the trends by month instead of by quarter, just ask. If your spreadsheet contains multiple sheets, specify which one to analyze. And when numbers seem off, mention data formats or filters you expect, such as excluding blanks or focusing on a date range. That's all you need. Upload your spreadsheet, then ask precise, goal-oriented questions. With clear prompts, Perplexity AI becomes a powerful partner for fast, reliable spreadsheet analysis.